Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. This is my report. Metonymy.
Metonymy.
What is metonymy? Metonymy is figure of speech where a word or phrase is used to represent something else that is closely associated with it. Instead of directly naming something, we use a related term to evoke its meaning.
Okay, sample.
Tips for using metonymy effectively. Use metonymy sparingly. Too much of it can be confusing or distracting. Choose your words carefully. The related term you use should be clear and easily understood by your audience. Consider the context. Metonymy works best when it is used in a way that is relevant to the topic of your presentation.
Okay, so make sure that you are going to have additional examples, ha? Dagdagan lang ito na examples. Okay, so in metonymy, you're going to use sparingly. Too much, it can be confusing or distracting. So you need to have metonymy direct, on point, without distracting or confusing your audiences or to your learners. Sige, example.